Welcome student to standard 5th EVS-I digital class. Students, in lesson number 3 you have studied that land in our environment is not of same height everywhere. This unevenness gives rise to various land shapes, creating different landforms such as mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains and island. Look at the figure, you can see different landforms here such as mountains, valley, hill, hillock, plain, plateau, and seashore. These are different types of landforms. So student, today we are going to learn lesson number 9, maps are companion. This is our India's map. In standard 4th, we have learned about map. Man felt the need to make maps since ancient times. At that time, maps were mainly used in wars. While fighting a battle, it is important to have detailed knowledge of the terrain. It means type of land such as mountains, plain or forest. It helps in working out strategies of defeating the enemy. Look at the map. This is ancient times map which was used during Mahabharata. You might have seen Mahabharata serial on television during lockdown. Now we will learn about different methods of showing the landforms on a map. Taking into account the differences in their height, shapes, etc., various landforms can be shown on a map. There are different methods of showing these landforms on a map. Look at this first method shown in this slide. This is map A. This method is called contour line method. It is used to show unevenness of landforms on a map. The height of the land is measured from sea level. Their position is marked accurately on the map. These locations are joined with a line. Such lines are called contour lines. Observe map A. In this map, lines are drawn, each joining places of a specific height. It helps us to understand the slope of land and the height of different places. Now we will learn in detail about contour line. This method shows unevenness of landform on a map. Note that when there is a less distance between contour lines, the slope is steep. Whereas if the distance is great, the slope is gentle. This slope is steep and this slope is gentle because the distance between the contour line is more in gentle slope and the distance in between contour line is less. So this is steep slope. Observe the diagram. This is gentle slope and this is steep slope. Look at this figure. It is layer tinting method, map B. This method is based on contour lines. In this method, the space between contour lines are filled with color. Each color indicates a specific height. If you observe this map, different colors are used to show height of the place. Height is given in meters. Look at the bottom. The table is given. Here, different colors are given with their height. Let us learn in detail about layer tinting method. Study the given color index. Note how the color changes with the height. The colors between the contour lines show up the differences in the physical setup. Look at the table. Different colors are given and its height is given in meter. Note how the color changes with the height. For example, water bodies are colored blue, whereas the adjoining land is colored dark green. Land higher than that is colored a light green. Next higher land is colored yellow and so on. This is the most modern method. Third method, digital elevation model. This is map C. In this method, the information obtained from man-made satellite is used to draw the maps. Observe map C. We can directly observe the differences in the height of landforms using computers. We can even find the height of each point on a digital map. This helps us to understand the physical setup of that region. What is the height of this place? Here it is given 500 meter. So directly we can measure that height. Now we will learn about physical map. This is physical map of India. Let us learn use of physical map. Physical map can be used in military operations, tourism, drawing up mountaineering routes, in making regional development plans, etc. Use your brain power. Find and join the dots that show places of the same height. What method of showing the landforms on a map have you used? Yes. After joining the dots that show places of the same height, you will come to know that this is contour line method. This figure and question is given in your textbook on page number 41. Join the dots and write down answer in the given box in the textbook. Maps used previously. Previously, relief was shown using the hill shading technique. Relief involves the vertical and horizontal dimensions of land surface. Observe the map given below. You will understand the structure of map used previously. So student, what we have learned today? Various landforms, different methods of showing the landforms on a map, contour line method, layer tinting method, digital elevation model, and uses of physical map. Read the lesson thoroughly and write down new words. Remaining part we will learn in next video. Thank you.